na busia sika sem ya ho no entity abato Sompa FM nsem twa pono so chese IMF mpanimfo pa owura bia wo ba betena Ghana na watu Bank of Ghana ne mpanimfofo na yehu Ghana kwan a ye de sika sem ebefa so efri na eko
asunafo south mrashaba jane so de ato dwa se wonye hyehyɛ wo mrashaba dwafie na anuanom koko pharmacy wan mo pension ho nsem wonka ne yi
na mrashaba dwafo binom de ato mampani na rodan kwaku ford wanim se na ne kire ya senko betimi a hepatitis B ne won pempra wade yade no omo Enfengra National Health Insurance mo
Yera Johnson kwaku adun so na da si wa kire se wadanamanfo ase papa ewa ye ni adoya wonoma ye no
abusia fo we ni afofro pin ya kekese ne se kase ababi a wo bia na no pɛ ye ba ne de aba besom me de ya bo amali bia boga no pɛ me ne
akosia aje wakode boate
ye se kase na se de free ye sika sam ne ntoto ye ho na momo ne tua se Ghana ban ene IMF mpanimfo di nkoma abota ye si ani so ene so mbetabiri be $3 billion se de aba be ra ye economy ne mu a ebenam so me sika sam agina ye ama yetimi atoto ye ne ma na sa nkoma na Ghana ban ene IMF die no a efri na no fiada ne ba no a ase ye te se ye sipo no entete abato Sompa FM nsem twefo pono so chese wo mo apa obi owura bi a ye fe ne se eye Leonard eye Chumo ya sese no papa ne ye so ye financial advisor wono na eba betena Bank of Ghana na watu ye mpanimfofo ne ye hu kwane a ye de sika sembe fa so a enko ese bi e besa ginsemo ebiewu ne ye so owura ne ba wo ba no e ka ye bebo nyina eye Switzerland State Secretariat for Economic Affairs womo enebefa eho ekanyina ne nyina se kwesi brenika ne se will be provided technical assistance and financial advice at the Bank of Ghana na biem so kwani a Ghana ye sika krabia hodo binum efa so di omudwa edada omusika etutu omusika no owura ne ba no aba bebo Bank of Ghana mpanimfo se beye no mbetime edi omani edi akira enko ese bia obi di ne sika ekwakoto bank ya ebekwa kwa wiase na manfo bia tabiri adwane na no so akwakoye ensempi Bank of Ghana mpanimfo de krata aba bonti omonsimo mo kan se ne nyina ya yonko fasronko a eda o my Ghana isika krabia banta Bank of Ghana ene IMF ne sa access ko fo ya ye ka omo ho asem entemunti ne namso am ye dum pemprenso we no mo se nya ne kra ene omo no omo ba befa yonko every 2015 nim ena Ghana buy ne Bank of Ghana ene omo efa yonko a ya ho chiri ye omo apa sa owura yi se womra na omeboa ye ntutu ye nema emfa emaye Bank of Ghana mpanimfo chese basa no a eye Deposit Taking Institutions Act 2016 no ebeboa ama no edimu ye pa no panini yesi obi a wabene pa wabene a eba ne sikasam ne ho ntutu emu a yesi wa ye binom ne adeade a na oba Africa ha se so a wadi djuma pi wa mama hodo pi so a ba woba no ebeboa ne entete ekra chese se baba no yesi wa bakra de dawo ya wa hye adwuma se a eye February bosumi ewomin ne de tosu nsia ene yesi owura ne beduru Ghana ha se a wo hye na adwuma se na obetena ha benfie miensa aboa Bank of Ghana ene Ghana ban se beyo na yesikasem ebetuto ye ediama ye ntse se de IMF mpanimfo apa wo pani bia wo ba se financial advisor Bank of Ghana no wo ba betena wotu ye mpanimfofo na waboa atutu yesikasem ede amaye ne
Our former Chief Justice Mami Sofia Kufu Nrada asoya hwe sikasem so pensioners kwa one mo kwa hoso do hiasem akwa to yira keno frata ni mu no so aka ho bi na won wode akwa to dwa se wonam no watete se yira gabia sarwa chirda ko papa no watie chire no wototo buaba park ne so a na won wonim ni dibira wo aban ni mu a ama na watumi anya tumi a hantane ahomaso bi aba ne mu na nsansam ahodo akwoso na won pesa aban no aso te no wowura ne tenchan ya won so kyakade ya wokeka no no na wo hu no kra ya ne nsembu no mu a anya sam so sanse won de ahia no no se won konwie ya de obebeka biada anya de obeti
He can decide on he doesn't decide for me what I need to do and what I do not need to do. It's as simple as that. I don't have time for things like that. People like that are not important to me or to my life. It's a disturbance. That whole program is now over, and we chose not to sign on to it. Now, the way things are going, what I sense and what I smell is the creation of two categories of people or two classes of people. those who have been exempted by the you want me to lick it. Those who have been exempted by the issuer, I think Doctor was very clear with the distinction. Yeah, I've seen it all, and therefore I easily become suspicious. Gabi Ochiridakon can call me paranoid. I don't care. We're talking about people, we're talking about human beings, we're talking about people who have served this country and have served well and served hard. Not easy service. When you
your former Chief Justice, Mama Sophia Ekufu.
I was a fire farm free, a sick as some name, and to your honey and farm consent from farm Raswig film. Now, and Raswig a phone cuckoo comobi by our Raswig film Honomoa, your coffee semi in our buy, I am Raswig and your woman Raswig film this year, one more foot about Tom Pessia, so no cronwa, as I see a candy for Bedi Tre, a Dom Kessiano, or Dawoodman, or Honorable Alexander Fenyo Mackenzie, and or Cotebria semi buy, or Modia the Sret to Mampeni and him. Se baby a yedro se ne de se kabampeni na nado den kwaku for na ba betimi a hepatitis B ene ho mpempena wade yade no yemfa Enkora National Health Insurance nim se be ne beboa ema omo ni bia mpempi yade omo kokoti bie omo atimi edisunkunim ene asemi obo so a ena ne nuamra se dwani ono so amra se dwafie ma dese a omo kolekolo tabaton pesua so Dr. Zenato Ajima Rollins so ena no kokotu mu bio se a menua me no eya dwene pa eba ehunro susu ane boarding nte basa ya na wo mo ni bie no na ne ko akwakoye dine edi ama wunum nte ajabusi ombobo so no a na Ghana yeso afo a ohwe apomdire ho nsensem so kwakwa Ajima me no wono susu eye MP de ma dehye a wo mo doma central abaton pesua so no ho no mo na obu a wono mo se baby o man na ba begina no se kase ye tabiri hepatitis B na yaresa ene hunro edi akwakora health insurance mu a enya asam keto na nsuru nyina ban eguso didi ho nkomo a yebedu bebia aban edesa ne mani nyina be health insurance mu.
I don't intend to refute any portion of the statement and what the contributions my colleagues have made, but I just to add a few more. Mr. Speaker, we have actually included hepatitis B vaccination in our normal routine immunization program. But unfortunately, we are now planning to scale up to actually include the at-birth dose as a way of preventing hepatitis B. Mr. Speaker, it is true we don't have it on health insurance benefits package, both testing and vaccination.
Abusia we amraso dwani a wamraso je ma de so modoma central abaton pesua so no akro na sa so ye Ghana yeso afo a ohwe apomde ne ho nsensem so kwaku Ajima menu na yete ne nkan we amra na amraso jafo na kopegya san komo no aba na oyi ano na ne nyina mu no Sompa fam nsem twafo bopine wo mo a wo mo eta bodawro e de fa hepatitis B yade ne ho opani oye national president da wo ma no hepatitis B Foundation of Ghana opani Theobald Owusu ansa ene ne kodi nkomo no wo chese we die enke ya sem papa sempeni for your madwene say omo edi run national health insurance mo
asaba omo kan ni no ye tie no de pa de say because hepatitis yade no wo hwemu a yade a eku nkofo bebre na nkofo omo nya yade ne bebre so ye nkofo omo ni sika mo beto adro no wo hwe national health insurance na ba say ebeboa sabio omo ni bi ba hepatitis no so na ba no aban afa kan national health insurance no obinya HIV a free but when you have hepatitis in there so no entua neka but in pakon so e contribute national health insurance o tua bi okoto ade a o tua national health insurance okoye bibia o tua national health insurance but e do treatment in there ban so no okoto na ede na kakra meka asoso ne say edu no ebo no edene but ade ba ko ane bo so edene pa ya say wonya ya de ne bi no ye ko hwehwe mu say wo behia treatment ya ono ne bo edene kwa cha eduro no enti sanka ba so de ono so ebeka ho a enka be ye de pa
Observe for way a penny power that hepatitis B Foundation of Ghana no penny Theobald Owusu answer.
Ora Eric Opoku ayemra shebejania wajina de mama for west na for south and perso so no de to masheja fie asa yanya dear friend say legislative instrument Sunday abayo na nuanom kokko farmers wo mo pension ho nsensem no ebetumi aka ne ye pa na boa wo mo ma emaburu pinu a edum ho awura kuayo
Sompa 93 for the operations of cocoa in our country leaving Ghana 43,000 tons of cocoa. Mr. Speaker, under the WE agreement, we service the facility with 30,000 tons annually. And so when we take the 30,000 out, Ghana is left with just 13,000 tons for our local processors. The capacity of our local processors is around 400,000 tons, meaning that these companies can only survive if they import cocoa from Cote d'Ivoire and other cocoa producing countries before they can produce chocolate for us in this country. So even though we may be consuming chocolate, the full benefits will not be seen in our country because the major raw material is imported from outside.
I was your way and Russell Johnny General de Madeshia war as soon for South and Pessoa so you're Eric Upu.
Yeah, from Frim Rasway, Film, from Consent from Sembeka and so Brantia or Bobwa, Rantanima about one word demand this Yamanukun war, Swami Abaton Pessoa Suneja, Nanukuyi in the Cassette 2024 elections in Ghana for your boy Huaco Remuno and the ONDC near Chitenina, Brantia Nasa Babawa, so kum nipa bem you know, Ubo or their bad dent be, and I say be create 2 o'clock Kuta war, no. So to the bo bi kum nipa mienu kra na NDC ba power nyare na we kra de say eja nche da nya yibia na busu asem yoko na odina no kobo so yi ene na so ye shinya asem keto menra omo edi ni kugina court a eje okokonya beli na ne lawyer Ivan Samankwa ede aseda ekoma chitafo a ebegu court onum ene mpenimfo bi no omo boaye e ma brante ni traye ya ene Razaki wanya beli a sika omo de atu ni tiri so 50,000 Ghana cedis connected to 500 million.
And a big thank you to the national organizer of National Democratic Congress, Honorable Joseph Yami, who is here with me. And another big thank you to the national deputy youth organizer of National Democratic Congress, Osman Yaraga, who flew from Accra to Kumasi to support our brother. Thankfully and graciously, the judge has granted our brother Wampa Razak bail today. And we are to the judiciary and the judge for granting our brother bail.
Abusia lawyer Ivan Samankwa ni etene nkano no ne call ye ko ginemu eko edema branch Razakia waye Swami youth organizer na Joseph Yamin so national organizer edema NDC amanyuku no okoto no so ne de tu dwa kakrani.
They are here in support of their brother. They think that the detention of him could have been a different way around. The court could have granted, the police could have granted him bail and still prosecute him. But they rather brought him to court, the court detained him. We are not happy. Since they picked him on a viral video, we're going to put him in the same. And if you go to my Facebook wall, there's a video there. We're expecting the police to do that.
Abusia national organizer the man this amanyoko ni Joseph Yamin so no court ono mu a court no wi asem no odin sem say yeto nsem twefo anim
na Ora Johnson kwakwa do so yamra sheba jani wa hafa no southwest empeswa so na woda na manfo ase papa pase wodoso nkwa won munyade man no se won moto abampo ade amana samra sheba jani ne yade asom ne buye papa wahye won munyina bo sanuama wodo a woka se wobaye beti se suku adan ene won makwan ne ade ade no ana ne kyen yi a wahye bo sa kwanya bia bamu a obeye ne sa
ena ye kase kanea no aba aye ba bepa ho ntomade pipi abamba 2017 ena medikrata akoma aban se nanado mewo enkro ahodo bebre wo mempesua so a enkanea eniso enti 2017 nyame ya adom enkro a medikoye no na ye aduesia miensa 63 communities nyame ya adom anado agi enkro no mo aduonu 924 communities ema ye ma contract another contract ye ka say ohwe kwan so a free odoyefe jakontebu kumewu kunsu camp Kureto kusu camp ne friend say Abu Abuja akwa wodwan kwanta na primitima wodwan kwanta asibe kwanta the team senkro we nyina was awarded na o trampasa aso enso so a ye won kure won pasa aso akire ho ofiri krom ademra mensia achiase dotiem ango esioko senkro we nyina so ye de nyina ma contract Afoba main road you so kotepe you so a. Yo dunya nkwanta, yo nyame adom, wo onyina okra krase, yo onyina nufu, yo wawadua chese. Nyina ye di ma contract. Contractor for do so kakra. Be mo sumini na mpasa so chire ho. Ekoko machine enkro no bi e wo ho no se ne ye commission bodi. Na na esen ka yetimi wie nkro ni nyina san ya commission ni nyina. Nenso nananom na ebu be se ebi da wonu mu a e na auto foforo ayede ebe.
Anochi no first vice chairman dema NPP amanyoko no ahafo no Southwest mpeso so. Wonwanyamfo owusu banahene so to party achitafo nyina nim se wonwon ka ba no ne mapa waye na Ghanafo agenwadi.
Na me mate na me te kwansu na me driver na matena kwansu na me fie odotiem na me nim se de sebi me wie suku ba na nsuo pipe kwa na bi ni dotiem na bibi adama ni radwansi gwaku adada horoma ende nsuo boho school adan abuye so me wie school ha wonti me ka me nim de me ka sabi me fi ba bi na maba enti wo ba health insurance di a obobo mama nyikufo free education obobo nana ado abaso.
First vice chairman dema NPP amanyoko no awa hafo no Southwest mansinimo wonwanyamfo owusu banahene.
Abusiafo enfo ko University of Ghana Legon enra basabasa bi ko so wo campus wo eyenkra pompremantem na Commonwealth for mo manutua se wo so wo eyi nkoda ne bi afiri ho no mamu nsam de chese buburuja emo bia Canada ho asem kra koduru court na enra nkoda ne bi ko se omo de omo nim se Commonwealth Hall honomo eno omo deda into omo asese omo nkete omo asese omo choboso asese omo potomanto no omo saponom ne ade a omo ede kwa akodo omo duru onomo a aposifo na abegu onomo twimi so omo makwa ma wonomo nko ene enyasem keto na sewani ensese ye ka kire wo ewi ase entete a chese aposifo kire emrante de maba wane bedu ngochi 18 a se ene mo kasei omo ede omo kwa akogina mra no na mrante de bi ede nsem sei eto nsemtwefo anim.
Because as of 8 February, we had lost our residency on University of Ghana campus. Meanwhile, they gave us up to 10th February to make payments. Last Thursday, the High Court, a court of confident jurisprudence and jurisdiction, had given an order that the status quo should remain. And that means that people who were residents of Commonwealth or last academic year, continuing students, all of them are to be made to come back. So what we were expecting from members of management was to update our MIS web so that we will see Commonwealth Hall there and then go and make payments. And after we come here, we'll do manual registration and then we'll be giving rooms.
Abusanti weye aye emrante ni bi nkyeremu a womo edema nsemtwefo mra nsemtwefo ekokopie Commonwealth Hall a our University of Ghana wei aye basabasa ya enra ehyasie hono mra omo aye omagene so omo de omo aseso omo ne ma ba omo nim se hono mo no omo bia ewi ase na kyese nyasem ketwa ye tete kyese aposifo hono mo a omo hwesa sumdwie ebetena ho ye de ni edi akire ne bi fra to bia yemfa enkamemo yemfa kase ni nsi yemfancy ana yemfancy yo cause you afak back so na
abusia choma kwa ngoma mensene mo krobi afro se ebra so na beda dwase nipa ba sa duasane ya kire baabi a won beda ho asem akwakwa bibie ho we ni nyina da yen subransa ma na nsentama ma ne mu no so ai won potam ho no mo no na akwakwa fa sa de we nyina ede aba na wonmanyamfo Emmanuel Nyanten ya assembly member ewa broso electoral area wona Sompa kase edi ho nkomo
na makasi mo se omunya abotre se de ade na mo fu akasa na yesre adofo enso ne ejamfo so mo beba no ma be yo momoa because bi o mo beda ka no ayeden omo no ma enso a asese no edeka na abeto mo so edi ninia afeke people mo kai o fie ma akoma konko aten a metime de mensa si na bo se eno na sa oyeme eto omo omo mattress omo TV omo yinya ase no ara homenia ba metra do for any agent for so mo mra no mo even though ye change na mo for so e ba be yo mo mo na mo for e mai de adofo ne ayi die omo zubet mai yo mo ama ye mi ama omo nya ba bi empo enda no mo nya ba bi enso enfna no omo ba be yo mo emwa
I was why when Monyafo Emmanuel Nyanten assembly member wawo ebroso electoral area.
Abzia for fancy amahine yetrasia no pay kawasem ne ukuada oba no ababe kawasem. Medin de abo amalibia boga no pay mene.
Akosia aje wakode
3.1 Aji mafuye me